if a group, party, country, or a person attack on someone's home, as US did on Iran, are having eyes on someone's valuable things, as they have eye on Ukraine's mineral and rest of the country's mineral, or taking extortion as United States got from Saudi Arabia, UAE and Qatar through pressure tactics, are muting voices raised for justice as US gave shut up call to the South African president, are involved in the killing of innocent children, women, and helpless individuals, and feel proud by doing open and loud genocide as they are doing in Palestine, and so on. What name would you give to a person who is notorious for all these activities, and what award would you suggest for him? Although I'm not sure about your opinion, but there is a country on the map called Pakistan which came into existence in the name of Islam. Pakistan wishes to award this person the Nobel Peace Prize. What a shame it is for Pakistan to appreciate and encourage such an evil thinking and people. There is a stark difference between Pakistan's name and action. Yet, Pakistan can bestow any title or award it chooses. I am, as a Muslim, I declare that I'm not agreed with Pakistan's decision, even 1%. What do you think? What name would you suggest for this individual, Donald Trump? And what reward do you believe he deserves? Nobel Peace Prize winner or devil on earth? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Jazakallahu khair.